What's going on, guys? Josh Sykes with you for OutdoorNewsAmerica.com. As always, if you like the content we're producing, you like our short little product overview videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Leave us a thumbs up. Ask us any questions you want to ask in the comment section below. If I can answer them, I'll always find the answer for you. If I can, I'll go to the manufacturer, see if I can find the answer for you there. In the studio with me today, I've got something really unique and cool I want to share with you. Something I feel like that is a lot of times overlooked, and that has to do with sighting in your handgun. This is a new little product. It's not new to the market, but it's one kind of the first time I've purchased one. If you notice, this looks a lot like a bullet. Well, this is called a bore sight. And I don't know if you can tell this or not, but inside here there is a little red dot. And the way that this operates is you order these caliber specific. You can put these down in your handgun or down in your rifle or whatever you're wanting to do, and it gives you a perfect bore from the barrel to your sight point so that you can sight in your optic, you can sight in your sights. You can do this a lot of different ways. Now, the company that I purchased these from is called Texas Precision Optics. I'm going to leave a link down below in the comment section. Will be the first comment there. I'll pin it to the top. So you have a link to go and purchase these directly if you want to purchase these. They're going to run you anywhere from around $12 upwards to about $25, $26. When I went online, now just to preface this, I purchased these. These were not sent to me. I went ahead and got the 223 Remington. I can also use this in my 5.56 rifles. And I got the 7.62 by 39, which is a little off caliber, but I do plan this year on getting me a couple of AKs. I've got a really nice Ruger 7.62 by 39. I'm going to use this to sight in some optics on that. And I got the 9mm. Now, I'd like to expand this a little bit, but I wanted to start with these and see how they go. I think these are an adequate tool to have in your gun box. Don't think you're going to go wrong with these, especially for the price point. You can order them directly online. Mine shipped out very next day, and they were to me within the week. Check them out, TexasPrecisionOptics.com. Again, link is the first one in the comment box. I think you'll like these bore sights. I do. I think you will too. Till next time, we'll talk to you soon.